Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize GTmetrix account for performance SEO monitoring, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the GTmetrix website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in your details to register for a new account including your email and a secure password. After completing the registration, check your email for a confirmation link from GTmetrix. Click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once activated, return to the GTmetrix homepage and click on Login. Enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, locate the Performance section in the main dashboard. To authorize your account for monitoring, navigate to the Settings tab. In this section, find the API option on the sidebar. Click on API to reveal your unique API key. Copy the API key by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+C or Command+C. Next, open the SEO monitoring tool of your choice that integrates with GTmetrix. In the settings of that tool, find the option to enter your GTmetrix API key. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Save your changes to authorize the connection. You may need to restart or refresh the monitoring tool to complete the integration. Now, your GTmetrix account is successfully authorized for performance SEO monitoring. You can start tracking your website's performance metrics right away. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.